Paying rent from Amex is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, open americanexpress.com on your Chrome or web browser. Then see How to Get Started section on the right side of the page. Now, according to the first step, contact your service provider. Then, give them your American Express card information for bill payment. After that, there is a list of wireless providers. Also, you can select your household bills, which include cable and satellite, wireless, and insurance. Then, in the bottom, there are several featured providers with whom you can contact. That's how you can pay rent with Amex. Keep in mind that while paying rent with a credit card can be convenient, it may not always be the most cost-effective option due to potential fees and interest charges if you do not pay off your credit card balance in full. Paying your rent with an American Express card can be convenient, but the process may depend on your landlord's payment methods and whether they accept credit card payments. But you can find many service providers on Amex that accept this way of payment. It's essential to weigh convenience against any associated costs.